from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a good old macaroni and tuna casserole. And my first step is I'm going to make macaroni and cheese just like the box says. Alright, my noodles have just got through cooking, and so I'm just going to mix up like I would be making macaroni and cheese. So I got 4 tablespoons of butter. This is 1/4 cup of milk. And a pack of cheese sauce. So I'm going to stir all this together. There's all different versions of mac and cheese and tuna pepper also, and also tuna casserole. So this is the version that I'm used to, so this is the one I'm making today. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my mushroom soup. Give it a little stir. That looks good and creamy. So now I'm going to put in my milk. That's a 1/2 cup. Now and I'm putting in 2 cans of tuna. If you don't like a lot of tuna, you can just put 1. Okay, got that stirred up. I'm going to put, it calls for frozen peas, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to put these canned peas in. You can leave them out if you don't like it. Some people even put carrots and onion in it. You can do that also. Okay, now then I'm going to be putting a cup of cheese in here. Good and mixed up now. So I'm going to put this in my sprayed 9x13 baking dish. Tonight we're going to be having sunshine cake with this also. That recipe and this one will be in the description below. Okay. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to be mixing up these breadcrumbs in with the cheese. And I made these homemade breadcrumbs because we didn't have any breadcrumbs today, and we're sheltering in place, so what I did was what I did was I took 4 pieces of wheat bread, and I used my mini processor and made my own breadcrumbs out of toast. Okay, just sprinkle this on top. And I'll be cooking this at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes till the top is bubbly and brown. Back in the 50s, people had tuna casserole about every night. Here's my tuna casserole, and I'll be back in about 15 minutes or 20. Okay, my tuna casserole is done, and we're just going to wait for it to cool off before I plate it up for dinner tonight. And every time I think of tuna noodle casserole, I think of the Mary Tyler Moore show, or really it was the Dick Van Dyke show, where Dick Van Dyke was always upset that they were going to have tuna noodle casserole. But anyway, hopefully Calvin won't be upset tonight when we have this. Hopefully he'll enjoy it. Okay, and by the way, this cooked a little bit longer. It took actually 30 minutes, and I think it was because my pan is a little different type pan than I used before. Okay, my tuna casserole is cooled off now, and so I'm going to plate it up.
Amen.
Hi everyone, we're back, and tonight we're having a tuna casserole and broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower, and sunshine cake. And so we're going to give it the taste test and see how we like it.
Mm-hmm. I'm ahead of you, Marie. This is good. I love it.
It is really good and tasty.
That tuna casserole is perfect.
On the Dick Van Dyke show, I don't know why Rob didn't like tuna casserole. It's very tasty, and
Yeah, back in those days, they didn't know how to make it good like you do.
well, thank you.
I'm going to go ahead and try a bite of your cake
Okay.
so we can see how good that cake tastes before we
Okay.
finish our video. That cake looks real good. Look at that. I know why it's called sunshine now. Make you smile. One more bite of cake. That is good, Marie.
I'm glad you like it.
I enjoyed it. I enjoyed watching you cook this entire meal. It was really good. I hope all our subscribers enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed watching you cook it.
Okay, we'll put the recipe for the cake and the tuna casserole in the descriptions below. And we thank everybody for watching, and give us a thumbs up. And if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please do. And do what you love and love what you do, and have a great evening. Bye.